let me show you what's in our compost. So we've been composting for 3 years, and we recently emptied this bin to start over, produce new compost. And in this bin is where we put any of our fruit scraps, and all of the bugs are coming out. Any of our fruit scraps, if you can see, we have some banana peel in here, have a little apple peel right there. We have some jackfruit, I think, which is right there, some jackfruit skin. And then what we did was we took some fresh grass, fresh cut grass, which I have some right here around the flower bed. So pretty much just grabbed some of this, sprinkled it in there, and then I grabbed some leaves, which are over here. I have plenty of leaves. So I just grabbed some leaves. I usually wear gloves. Bring it over here. And I added this to it. So that way I have my browns, my greens, my fresh fruit. Sprinkle that in there. You could use coffee grounds, whatever the case is. And then I have this. Just do a little turning. Put a little moisture on it. Put you some worms up in there. See, here's my jackfruit skin right here. Right here. There's my jackfruit skin. Smells like citrus in here. Is that plastic? I don't want no plastic in there at all. I thought I saw some plastic. Maybe that was a leaf. Yep. No plastic. No, that's paper. Yeah, that's paper. You can also get some cardboard, shred it up. Now, if you are in a yard and you have leaves, the finer you could get the material, the quicker it will actually start to compost. Now, I could literally leave the lid off, which sometimes I do, but I'm putting the lid on because it's still kind of cool outside. I'm going to trap some of that humidity in. But depending on the process, it takes anywhere from 6 months. We're usually not in a rush. Like now, we have all of our compost, all the compost we need for the season. We have all of our bins filled. So we'll come out here, give it a little twist. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get with my mom, because we're partnering on this project. And we're going to empty these. We're going to empty these out. I don't know how that lighting is, but super rich. Look, nothing. Everything's fine. We started with leaves. We started with, look at it, moisture. We started with leaves. We started with grass. We had some coffee grounds. We was putting cut vegetables. Nothing raw. We don't put anything raw in here. And we don't put anything cooked in here. Nothing raw, nothing cooked. Now, I don't know if you've seen a video of the city that offers compost. And so they have a free composting site. And so we also go there and get some. So this right here, let me get this off. So this right here is their compost. And I don't have any gloves on right now. And I just washed my hands. But it's pretty much it's pretty much leaves. You can see the leaves right there. It's leaves, sticks that's been ground, grass. And what happens is you put your leaves on the curb. The city comes through, collects them, take them to this area. They also offer where you can take your cut trees, things like that. They mulch them up, they chip them up. They make compost. They have rows and rows. You all go and check out a composting site on YouTube. But they have rows and rows. And you can go and pick it up for free. You just bring your load yourself, whatever the case is, and you can get as much as you want for free. And so that's what we do. And it's very soft. This one is wet, but it's fluffy. It allows vegetables to grow right in it. But we do have our own that's infused with the nutrients from the vegetables and the fruit. And the crazy part about it is when we went last time, they had a bunch of pumpkins growing. And they said they just grow naturally from, I guess the city dumps their extra pumpkins from their little pumpkin thing every year. It just grows naturally. So, well, welcome to my channel. I'm Monique D. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mix this with my hand. You can feel the heat. Look at that steam. Look at that steam. I know y'all saw that steam. I know I'm not tripping. You can see the steam. You can see the steam coming out the middle. That way, that's how you know it's working. Look at that steam. I don't know if the camera picking that steam up, baby, but this baby is steaming. Woo! Yes, yes, yes. That's how you know it's working. You see that steam. Look how this broke down. Watermelon. Nothing but the skin. I want to mix this a little bit. My rake is somewhere. Look at that. Broken all the way down. Almost. Alright. So, just want to turn this a little bit. Look at that. All that steam. It's a shadow, so I don't know if you can see it or not. That stuff is steaming. That's what's up. That's how you know it's working. Anyway, let me go ahead and put... Y'all, I'm supposed to be at work right now. So here's the worms. Look at the worms. It said it's 30. Drop them in there, spread them out. And go down deep. Put another one. It's the whole ball, you all. I read somewhere that they say you should be careful with the amount of, what's wrong with this little fella? Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, just checking. Should be careful with the amount of citrus you put in here. That's what I heard, not sure about that. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one, put it in here. There's the ball right there. Look at that one. That's what we doing, jumping off the ledge? Okay. And his last bag. Last container, rather. Wake up, little ones. And what are you doing? Just sticking right out. All right. I'll come back and actually add more browns, add a little bit more liquid water to it in about a day or so. So I gotta get more brown in there, add more food, specifically fruit scraps in here. Okay, I'll let this stay out so they get wet and start breaking down, and I'll put that in there as well. I'll save the rest of these coffee grounds for the next round. So I'll put those right there, and then leave these over here as well. And this is the final product right here. Final product, 100% cardboard, fruit scraps, a little sticks, twigs, all that's right here, you all. Coffee grounds, worm castings. I love it. You sprinkle this over your soil, a little fertilizer.